Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. And here's a problem. Pointing to a lady, a man said, "The son of your only brother is a brother of my wife. How is the lady related to the man?" As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready, you can run video again, and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. If you solve this problem correctly, you should get a pedigree as follows. So here is the first generation. We have a couple that has two children, female and male. And this male is married, and also this couple has two children, male and female, and this female is married. So now let's follow again the logic of this problem. Pointing to a lady, and the lady would be this one. A man said, and the man who said is going to be this one. So again, pointing to a lady. So let me underline with blue color and green color the man said. And the son of your only brother, the son of your only brother. So this woman, and he is her only brother, and the son of her only brother. So he's talking about this person. Again, the son of her only brother, and the son of her only brother, let's underline with yellow color, is the brother of my wife. So pointing at the lady, this person saying the son of her only brother is the brother of my wife. So how these two people are related? So for example, let's check answer A, mother's sister, and we don't have in this pedigree mother of this person at all, grandmother, and we have here three generations: generation 1, generation 2, and generation 3. And in order for this person to have a grandmother in this pedigree, for example, he should refer to someone in the first generation. But we see that these two people are in generation 2 and 3. Variant C, mother-in-law, and mother-in-law for this person would be this woman. So who is this woman? And this woman is sister of father-in-law. So take a look. This is going to be father-in-law of this person. So father of wife would be father-in-law, and this person would be son-in-law of this person and this person, of the parents of his wife. So this person is going to be a sister of father-in-law. So variant D. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.